Okay, so the people at Lifedoo sent us a portable car camping pit, fire pit, and grill. So it was really kind of them to send this to me. They like my channel, and I have Yoko who's going to be demonstrating how we're going to be going to put this together and grilling dinner, all in about 5 to 10 minutes from start to finish, but not giving the, not counting the time where we have to let the charcoal get hot and actual cooking. But it's really, really simple. Look at Yoko putting this thing together. It just came out of the package, basically. Very easy to put together. Now, you know, in the past, Yoko and I have only had a one of those really large propane gas grills, and you can't really put those in the car or in your RV and take those to a campsite or to the park or tailgating. It's just, they're impossible. So this thing folds up, so comes apart and folds up so perfectly small and easy. And by the way, they also include a little black bag carrying bag with it as well. So it's just simple so far. This is the first time ever using this. We have not tested it. We have not used it. We're just doing this in real time to show you exactly how to put this grill, how easy it is to put this grill together and start making dinner on it. So imagine if you're just in your RV and you go to your boondocking, or you go to a place that doesn't really have good fire pits, or you don't want to cook inside. You can put this thing together and cook a really nice dinner. There's a looks like there's enough room, a lot of room on the top. But before we put the top on, I think we're going to go ahead and you want to put the top on for a second to show people what it looks like, and then we're going to, okay, beautiful, great job, Yoko. And then we're going to go ahead and put some charcoal in. Let's fill it up with charcoal. Now, again, bear with us. It's been a long time since Yoko and I have ever cooked on a charcoal grill, but it definitely has its advantages here. And you know, you don't have to carry around a propane tank. It's very portable, very inexpensive, and very easy. Really, really simple. So go ahead, let's put some charcoal in, Yoko. And we happen to get the Kingsford Instant Match Light, so we don't have to pour any kind of lighter fluid or anything like that on it. Just a bunch of charcoal in there. Yoko's gonna strike the match and start this baby up.
Really?
That's all you have to do. Yeah, that's what I've heard. You can put it in closer and let's see what happens there. Careful, yeah. It should start right up.
It is.
Yeah. Let's let the coals get really nice and glowing and hot, and then we are ready to cook our dinner, right? Thank you very much, Yoko. It was pretty easy, right?
Yeah.
Okay, now look how beautiful that fire is glowing. I'm going to put the grate on, and the grate I did spray with some olive oil. I'm not sure if that's going to do anything or not, but might just burn it off. I'm not sure, but I just trying to make it so everything doesn't stick to this. And we got like a gourmet dinner here, people. Got some salmon, some steak. Gonna put on the grill here. And again, this is totally the first time ever using this. No idea if it's gonna work well or not work well. Move this over a little bit here. Yeah. And I'll tell you something, I really wish this video had some kind of smell feature, because this just smells so awesome. It's unbelievable. Let me see if I can get a little closer to the grill. This is so awesome smelling. It's unbelievable. Oh, and by the way, there are two settings on this. So we set it for the narrower setting for the grilling, but if you're just doing like a campfire or something like that, you can go a little bit wider, so you've got like a very large, nice fire, and you can put wood in here as well. You don't have to use charcoal for a campfire. You can it could be like a wood fire, and there's plenty of room, because as I said, these go further out very, very easily. Just two settings. Okay, so I just turned the salmon. By the way, I gave the grill a little more olive oil, because salmon skin is notorious for sticking to stoves and grills. Oh, the onions are a little burnt. Sorry, Yoko. But I think you can pretty clearly see that this is really simple to use, and it looks great, and it smells fantastic. And by the way, I want to just share with you, Yoko just brought this out because she said it's very important that I show you this bag that comes with it, because the whole thing disassembles and fits in this carry bag. And you can just carry this anywhere you want. Simple. Just put it back of the van, back of a car, in the RV, anywhere, and carry this grill. You got yourself a grill. So Yoko, are you ready? I'm going to go ahead and I think I'm going to go ahead and put this on the plate. Sorry, this one salmon skin is a little stuck, but I think I can still work with it, Yoko. So here, I'm going to put this on the plate, and I think we're looking really good. And I still really wish everybody could smell this. It just smells awesome. Burnt onions. Well, I'm not an expert griller, as I said, but it's all good. You don't see, this just shows you don't have to be an expert griller. Anybody, we haven't grilled in so long, but anybody can make a fantastic dinner very quickly. That's what we have. And there's the grill. We're going to let that burn out and clean it up, and bon appetit. Thanks, everybody. It's called Lifedoo, and it's available. I'll give you the link. I'll give you the link that I think is best to use for this. But Yoko and I, from this little unboxing and trying it out, highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. I'm Dr. Dave, the RV Dummy. Talk to you soon.